Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So today's video topic is if your Bluetooth is not working on Windows 10, I will show you the error which I am facing. If I am trying to run my Bluetooth, as you can see, the Bluetooth on or off button is not showing here. And if I am trying to add any Bluetooth device, I am getting this error, could not connect. So in this video, I will show you some methods to fix this issue completely. Start with our first step. Click on your Windows icon and type troubleshoot. Click on this option, troubleshoot settings. Now click on this option, additional troubleshooters. Now click on this Bluetooth option, and after that click on this option, run the troubleshooter. So this will identify and fix your Bluetooth related issues. Wait for a few minutes. Now you can see the problem has been identified. Now it is asking for apply this fix. Click on it. So the issue has been fixed. You can see both the ticks. So in the most cases, this troubleshooter will fix your issue. Click on close, restart your system and check. But if you are still getting the same issue, now move on to our next step. Again, click on Windows icon and type services. Now click on this services app. Now you have to restart some Bluetooth services. So as you can see, there are three services: Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth support, Bluetooth user support. So right click on the first one, Bluetooth audio gateway service. Right click on it, then click on properties. So the startup type will be automatic. Make sure this option will be automatic, and after that click on apply. Then after, stop this service. Then again run this service by clicking on this start button. That's it. Click on OK. Now right click on the second service, Bluetooth support service. Right click on it, then click on properties. So the startup type will be automatic. Okay, make sure this service will be automatic. After that, stop this service. Click on stop. Then click on start to restart this service. Then click on OK. Now right click on the third one, then click on properties. And now the startup type will be manual. Do not change it. After that, start the service. Click on OK. Now cut this window and restart your system and check. And if you want to use your Bluetooth for send or receive files, I will show you application. So open your C drive. Then open Windows folder. Now search for a folder name called System32. This is a folder System32. Open this folder. Now you have to search for application FSQUIRT. This is the application name. This is the application. You can see the type application. Now right click on the application. Then go to this option send to. Then click on this option desktop shortcut. That's it. Now cut this window. So this is my Bluetooth shortcut. This application will help you to send or receive files. I will show you. So with this application, you can send or receive files via Bluetooth. Now move on to our next step. If you are still getting the same issue, your Bluetooth is not working. Right click on your Windows icon. Then click on Device Manager. Now you will see this is my Bluetooth driver. I will expand this option, and these are the drivers I have. So if your Bluetooth driver is not installed or it is not showing here, in that case you have to download your Bluetooth driver from internet. I will show you how to do it later. And one more important thing, make sure your Bluetooth driver are enabled. For example, in case your Bluetooth driver is disabled like this, you can see the disabled icon. Right click on it and enable your device. So make sure your Bluetooth driver is enabled. Now you have to update all the 4 drivers one by one. So right click on it, then click on update driver. Click on search automatically and make sure your internet is working. So this will update your Bluetooth driver. So do the same thing. one by one. That's it. Now check, and if you're still getting the same issue, your Bluetooth is still not working, in that case right click on this option, Intel wireless Bluetooth driver. So this is my main Bluetooth driver. Right click on it, then click on uninstall device. Do not tick this option, simply click on uninstall, and you can see the Bluetooth driver is gone. Now restart your laptop and it will automatically reinstall your Bluetooth driver. Now move on to our last step. If your Bluetooth driver is not showing in device manager, I will show you how to download your Bluetooth driver from internet. So open your browser. Now in the search box type Intel Bluetooth driver. So you have to type Intel Bluetooth driver for Windows 10 and you will see the Intel official website. Click on it. And you will see this option, Intel wireless Bluetooth for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So you can download this driver for Windows 10 and Windows 11 both. Scroll down. Now you will see two options. So if you are using Windows 11 or you are using Windows 10 64-bit operating system, in that case you have to go for this one. And if you are using Windows 10 32-bit of operating system, go for this one. I will show you how to identify your system bit. So open your system properties. Now right click on the blank space, then click on properties. And you can see my system type is 64-bit. So I'm using Windows 10 64-bit operating system. So I will download the 64-bit one. This is the one, Windows 10 64-bit. Click on download. Click on I accept. So the downloading process has been started. Downloading process completed. So this is my Bluetooth driver for Windows 10 and the file size is 52.1 MB. Click on it to run this software. Click on yes. So this is the latest driver. Click on next. Click on I accept, then click on next. Now you have three options. Go for complete. Click on install. So it is very easy to install your Bluetooth driver. So the process completed. Click on finish. And after that, restart your system and it will fix your Bluetooth related issues. So this is all for the video. Thank you.